Welcome to PointCast. You know, souvenirs mean different things to different people. Some people like hats, some people like t-shirts, some people like to make their own. Now you can on the Frontier Trail at the new Frontier Studio. Let's get crafting.
Frontier Studio is the newest addition to the Frontier Trail here at Cedar Point. It is a unique experience for guests of all ages where they can come in, take a break from the heat, and create a fun project to take home. When you come to Frontier Studio, you can get some pre-made pieces that include our beautiful skyline, shots of hotel breakers and the Coliseum, the giant wheel, but if you're feeling crafty, you can also do a stencil art painting, which includes fun shapes, fun saying, coordinates of the park, fun things that say Cedar Point in the state of Ohio. And then you can also create a string art piece of your very own. And some of the shapes available for string art are paw prints, ice cream cones, hearts, pineapples, and then again, another stamp of Ohio.
So I've chosen to do the stencil today, right? This is how you would normally do it. You get a stencil on the wood.
Yes.
And then we have to kind of color in the numbers. These are the coordinates of Cedar Point.
Yes.
Which is really cool. And I have the state with Cedar Point on there. I want to try to match this.
Okay.
Little ombre action. And then we're going to do it like nailed it. We'll see if I nailed it.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Let's try.
So I just dab paint. Is that how this works? How do I do this?
You're gonna take your sponge and you're gonna dip it in the paint, and then you're gonna use one of the empty trays and thin out the paint.
Okay.
And then you're going to dab it into the stencil.
Oh, see, that's not so bad. All right, Jessica, you ready to show everybody?
Yes, I'm so excited.
All right, it's the big reveal, and here we go. I didn't do too bad, did I?
No, you did great for your first time. Like we said, this is a project for everyone.
Can't really mess it up. Check it out, the Frontier Studio, now open on the Frontier Trail, and create your own unique souvenir to take home from America's roller coaster.